So the NFL, the National Football League, American football, for those watching outside the US, are going to roll out facial authentication software league-wide. So all 32 NFL stadiums will now use this tech. The platform has the Cleveland Browns owners as investors, and it's going to be used to streamline and secure entry for thousands of credentialed media, officials, staff, and guests. Credential holders simply take a selfie before they come, and then Wicket verifies their identity and checks their credentials with the credentialing platform as they walk through security checkpoints. Wicket technology was deployed in a handful of NFL stadiums last year as part of a pilot program, and other stadiums will start rolling it out beginning on August 8th when the preseason kicks off, which was yesterday at the time of recording this. Some teams have extended their use of the tech to scan the faces of ticket holders as well, though. The Cleveland Browns, Atlanta Falcons, and New York Mets all have used the company's facial authentication software to authenticate fans with tickets. The Browns also use Wicket to verify ages of fans purchasing alcohol at concession stands. The NFL is not the only sports league deploying facial recognition technology. Soccer stadiums worldwide are rapidly adopting and deploying facial recognition tech to surveil fans, and 25 of the top 100 soccer stadiums in the world use the technology to bolster video surveillance as well. So this is not just American football, it's happening in other events as well. And I would be curious to see how well these work. It's kind of a bummer that we see these articles just announcing new tech, but we don't actually see, what's the evidence that this works? Thanks for watching this surveillance report clip. This is a clip from our surveillance report podcast where we break down the privacy and security news every single week to keep you as safe as possible. So if you want to check out the full podcast and get all the news, check that out down in the description or click one of the things here to check out the main channel. See you next time.